Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Tends to Math, Do Math, No Myth. In today's lesson, I will teach you indefinite integral, which is helpful for the student of class 12. So let's begin. I start this indefinite integral with some basic formula. First, integration x to the power n dx. It means x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, where c is an integrating constant. Okay, if you have any form of integration in x to the power n, then you may write x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Example, integration x to the power 5 dx. X to the power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 plus c. X to the power 6 by 6 plus c. Okay. Next formula, integration dx. This is x plus c. Next, integration 1 by x dx. This is equal to log of mod x plus c. Next, integration e to the power mx dx. This is equal to e to the power mx by m plus c. Give one example. Integration e to the power 5x dx. This is equal to e to the power 5x by 5. Here the coefficient of x is 5. So here we write 5. If the coefficient of x is 6, then we write 6. Okay? And add plus c. Next formula is integration e to the power x dx. This is equal to e to the power x plus c. Next, integration e to the power mx dx. This is equal to e to the power mx by m log e base a plus c. Give one example. A to the power 6x dx. Then we may write a to the power 6x by 6 log e base 6 plus c. Okay. Next, integration a to the power x dx. This is equal to a to the power x by log e base a plus c. Since here the coefficient of x is 1, so here we may write 1, and here the coefficient of x is 6, so here we write 6. Next example, integration sin mx dx, which is equal to minus cos mx by m plus c, where c is an integrating constant. Give one example. integration sine 8x dx. This is equal to minus cos 8x by 8 plus c. Okay. Next, integration sin x dx. This is equal to minus cos x plus c. Next, integration cos mx dx. This is equal to sin mx by m plus c. Give one example. Integration cos 6x dx. This is equal to sin 6x by 6 plus c. Next example. Integration, next example, next formula. Integration cos x dx equal to sin x plus c. Next, integration sec square mx dx. This is equal to tan mx by m plus c. Give one example. Integration sec square 10x dx equal to tan 10x by 10 plus c. Next, integration sec square x dx. This is equal to tan x plus c. Next, integration cosec square mx dx. This is equal to minus cot mx by m plus c. Give one example. Integration cosec square 7mx dx, 7x dx equal to minus cot 7x by 7 plus c. Next, integration cosec square x dx equal to minus cot x plus c. Next, integration sec mx tan mx dx equal to sec mx by m plus c. Give one example. Integration sec 2x tan 2x dx equal to sec 2x by 2 plus c. Next, integration sec x tan x dx equal to sec x plus c. Next, integration cosec mx cot mx dx equal to minus cosec mx by m plus c. One example. Integration cosec 6x cot 6x dx equal to minus cosec 6x by 6 plus c. Integration cosec x cot x dx equal to minus cosec x plus c. With respect to these given formulas, today I will solve some problem. So this is the first problem that I solve. Integration. Here we expand this x minus 2 whole cube by x cube minus 3x square into 2 plus 3 x into 2 square minus 2 cube by x square dx. X cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8 by x square dx. Then we separate all the terms. X cube by x square dx minus integration 6x square by x square dx plus integration 12x by x square dx minus integration 8 by x square dx. X dx, this is equal to x dx. Here we cut down x square, and since this is the integration with respect to x, so here 6 is the constant part, so we outside this 6 and getting this integration dx plus 12 is the constant part, integration dx by x minus 8 integration dx by x square. Okay. Next, our first formula is x to the power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here the power of x is 1 and here the power of x is n. Since the power of x is 1, so we may write x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Okay. Minus 6. The formula of integration dx is x. So integration dx is x. Okay. Plus 12. Integration dx by x. The formula of integration dx by x is log of mod x. So here we may write integration dx by x as log of mod x. Minus 8. It may also write x to the power minus 2 dx. Okay. Next, x square by 2 minus 6x plus log of mod x minus 8 into x to the power. Here the power of x is minus 2. So we may write minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. This is also mean minus 1. And when we complete the whole integral, then must add this integrating constant plus c. Okay, c is an integrating constant. So we get x square by 2 minus 6x plus log of mod x. You may also write my plus 8 by x. So the last line is x square by 2 minus 6x plus log of mod x plus 8 by x. X to the power minus 1 is also write as 1 by x plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Our next problem is px square plus qx plus r by x root x. Here we divide all the terms. Px square by x root x dx plus integration qx by x root x dx plus integration r by x root x dx. Okay. Since this integration is with respect to x, so here p is the constant term. So p is outside the integration first, Then we calculate this term. Here the power of x is 2 and the power of x is 1 and the power of x is half. So we may write it x to the power 1 minus half x to the power half dx plus q x to the power minus half dx. Since the power of x is half, so 1 by x to the power half is also write as x to the power minus half plus r x to the power minus 3 by 2 dx. Okay. Now by the property integration x to the power n dx x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, we may write it as x to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus q into x to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus r into x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Since all the properties are applicable, all the properties are applied in the sum, so then we add this integrating constant. Now calculate this term. P into x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus q into x to the power half by half plus r into x to the power minus half by minus half plus c. This is 2p by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2q x to the power half minus 2r by root x plus c. This is the required answer. Okay. Now next problem is integration dx by 1 plus cos x. We first multiply 1 minus cos x with the denominator, with the numerator and denominator. Okay. Next 1 minus cos x into dx by 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos x into dx by 1 minus cos square x means sin square x. Then separating the terms, 1 by sin square x into dx minus cos x by sin square x into dx. Next 1 minus sin square x means cosec square x dx minus cos x by sin x means cot x and 1 by sin x means cosec x. So cos x by sin square x means cot x cosec x dx. Okay. Now here we here integration cosec square x dx means integration cosec square x dx means minus cot x and integration cosec x cot x dx means minus cosec x. So cosec square x means minus cot x and integration cosec x cot x means minus cosec x plus c. When we complete the integration, then we must add this integrating constant, minus cot x plus cosec x plus c. Okay. Next example is integration dx by 1 minus sin x. This is your homework. You solve this problem and comment me in the comment box. Okay. Hope you like this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting more updates. And if you have any queries, then please comment in the comment section. Okay. Take care and bye.